Okay, now I'm going to be showing you how to make different types of scrolls. Scrolls were not on the image that you were choosing from to choose your 5 coils, but you still have the option to use these as one of your 5 if you've decided to change your mind or you just like this version better. So a scroll is like a coil, but it's not glued closed. So we'll start with a loose scroll. So I'm going to, again, wrap this around my skewer. I'm not going to go all the way to the end because I want my, close to the end, but not all the way, because I want my scroll to have a tail. So all you do is let go, and then I can pull this out a little bit, make it a bit rounder. And that would be a loose scroll. Now there's multiple types of scrolls. There's a scroll called a C scroll, and that looks like a C. So if I flip this over, I would just need to roll this end of the page inward. So I'll do that real quick. So I am starting at the end I didn't start at last time. I'm going to roll into the last coil. And that is a C scroll. If I wanted to make a heart scroll, I would make a C scroll, and then I would just pinch the middle. Now you have a heart scroll. I can glue that on real fast. Stick that right there. Ta-da! Okay, now I'm going to show you how to make an S scroll. Kind of similar to a C scroll, but the 2 coils are going to go opposite directions to make an S shape. So I'm going to twist this in. I'll stop about halfway and let that go. Oops. So I've got half of it rolled up. I'm going to start at the other end, and I'm going to twist it away from this scroll, so it's going to go this way. And I'll let that go. Now you can see how it kind of looks like an S. I guess it would be this way. That's an S scroll. And again, I just drop that in the glue and then stick it on. And the last kind of scroll that or actually no, I will show you 2 more. So there's a V scroll, and it's kind of like the heart, but these scrolls are going to go outward. So another way that you can do this is if you want to make sure that your scrolls are even, you can fold your paper ahead of time in half, and then you would coil these 2 strips outward. So I'll start with this side. And I've rolled mine up pretty close to the point where I bent it, because when I let go, it's going to start coming out a little bit, and I don't want a whole lot of length right there. That is up to you. Now I'm going to roll this side. There you go, and I can pinch this a little bit more. It's a V scroll. The last kind of scroll that I will show you is the same side scroll. I think this one kind of looks like a wave. So if you have like a bird and you want to do feathers at the bottom, the tail, that stick out kind of like this, you can do it this way. Or if you have like a animal that lives in the water and you want to add some splashes of water to the outside, you can do this. So I've rolled my coil about halfway on my paper, and I'm going to let that go. Loosen it up a little bit, and then I'm going to fold my paper in half, and I'm going to roll this side the same direction, and you can make it longer or shorter or the same length. I'm going to make mine shorter. And that is a same side scroll. I'll glue that on real fast. Now you will be filling in all of this space, so if you have any questions about how to make those, you can flag me down in class and I'll help you out.